Today I'm breaking out my Dinosaur barbecue cookbook, and I am making one of our favorites. Every recipe in this book is awesome, but the Creole deviled eggs is what I'm making. And as my suggestion, always pick up menus from a restaurant, because most of the ingredients are listed right into the actual menu, so that you know what it's going to taste like when you get it. So I'm gonna be hard boiling some eggs, slice them in half, and then I'm gonna be adding some mayonnaise, some sriracha, some Tabasco sriracha, some Zatarain's Creole mustard. Then instead of pickle relish, I'm going to be adding this Wickles spicy red sandwich spread. This is pepper relish that has red jalapenos in it and some other stuff. So instead of pickle relish, I'm going to be using pepper relish to put that in. And then you could garnish. You can buy. This is great. You could buy the book online. You can also buy all the sauces online, and their Cajun foreplay rub. Cajun seasoning is the best, really is the best. But instead of sprinkling that on top, I'm just gonna do some smoky chipotle chili powder, just a little bit to garnish it, like a little paprika, only a little bit more of a kick. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna boil up these eggs, hard boil them, and then I will show you how I make all the ingredients inside. So see you in a minute. Okay, here we go. I got my hard boiled eggs. So I boiled these for 10 minutes, and then I put them in an ice bath to chill them out, and they're ready to roll. So let's go. We're gonna add some sriracha, and since this is Creole, I'm gonna use Tabasco sriracha instead of, you could use regular sriracha, anything you want. All right, so we put a nice healthy portion of sriracha in there. All right, we want, instead of pickle relish, I'm gonna use Wickles spicy sandwich. This is a pepper relish, and you can see, oh my goodness, these are red jalapenos. So I'm just gonna put that in there, and that's perfect, just like that. Put it right in there. All right, and then Zatarain's Creole mustard. All right, put that in there, and now we're gonna put in some mayonnaise. Just keep slapping that mayonnaise in there. Right there, perfect. All right, so if you want, you could get this book. It's online, and what we got is we got the Creole deviled eggs. There's the whole recipe right there. It doesn't say sriracha, but when you go to the restaurant, it has sriracha in it. It's a sriracha mayonnaise. So now we're gonna mix all this up. Mix, mix, mix. If you've ever made deviled eggs, there you go. You mix it all up. These are fantastic. Put that over there. Yes. Mix it up real good. Smash it up like mashed potatoes. And these are, we go to the restaurants and we order these all the time because they are so good. They are so good. All right, there we go. All right, so now we got this nice creamy egg yolk in here. We'll grab our spoon, start spooning it in. Filling it back up with our egg. So we just go through and we just do this. All right, that's it. This is our Creole deviled eggs, just like at Dinosaur Barbecue. All right, we got this. I got some more eggs. So we got that there. Put this here. Put this here. And if you ever go to the restaurant, if you ever have the privilege of going to the restaurant, you'll see what they do is they throw a little romaine lettuce on top. You could throw some scallions if you're doing some. Oh, almost forgot. For a little color, you can add either some paprika or some of this chipotle chili powder. Add that for a little color, nice and smoky. I'll add that in there. All right, you throw a little lettuce, you chop up a little lettuce. You could do scallions if you wanted. And then you pick it up and you give it a good eat. Mmm. Mmm. These are fantastic. Try this at home. I can see I forgot. There you go. Oh, these are so good. And remember, instead of paprika, use this chipotle chili powder. You could also use the Cajun, any Cajun seasoning you want. But I'll tell you right now, this is so good. This stuff is so good on top of that. It's a nice smoky, jalapeno spicy bite to it. Excellent.